confident. Going surfing. You ready, coach?
Coach is ready.
Today it's ladies surf day, right?
Yeah!
Luca is not surfing. He's coaching.
He's teaching us.
Yeah, right.
Right to the beach.
Yeah, right.
I'm the best coach. Not.
You're just gonna surf.
Yesterday I was like, wait for me. He was like, I can't, I need to go in the water.
He's a terrible coach. He just leaves us alone.
But he still wait for me.
That's good. You're confident.
Really confident.
I'm not. I'm gonna go with your mentality then today.
You're too confident.
Hello guys! Welcome to a new vlog. I have some life updates for you, but first I need to make food real quick because I have Portuguese class in 20 minutes. It's 1:30 and I didn't eat anything yet today. Only had a bulletproof coffee in the morning, and then I was just busy. I had meetings and I wasn't hungry, so now I need a solid brunch. So come see what I make when I need something quick and solid, and then I can update you a bit more later. So I already have some tomato and mushroom that I made for Luca a bit earlier, and I'm gonna do scrambled eggs, which is my favorite to make when I'm really hungry and need something fast. I'm a pro, so I can do this with one hand, of course. I do normally 3 eggs. Boink. The last one. Straight in the pan. Bread in the toaster. I don't fry it much because I like it super soft like this. So it's done. And butter, lots of butter. And some salt. Okay, that's it. So that's it. One of my favorite breakfasts. And of course, a little surfkombucha. Today I took the ginger beer. Okay, eat quick. Portuguese lesson here, and then we talk again. Portuguese lesson done, and it's so warm. Like, it's been so warm the last couple of weeks. Right now it's like 37 degrees here in the shade. We are melting. I can't believe it's end of July already. And the biggest news, you guys, is that we are finally ordering equipments for our kombucha brewery, and hopefully everything will arrive and ready to install and to start everything in end of September. So finally, end of this year, we have surfkombucha production in Portugal. And the other big news is that we finally found a house in Ericeira. We are not buying yet, we are going to rent the first year. By the time this video comes out, I believe we are already in the moving process, so the next video will be a moving vlog. I will tell you more about the house and show you everything. These last weeks I've been filming a bit here and there. I didn't have time to edit, so I'm just gonna show you a bit what we have been up to. It's a bit all over the place, but you get an idea. Alright, that was it for now. Fish tacos, yummy! What's up, Mr. Guichard?
Scraping the goods here. That's what's up. How do you do it?
Guacamole.
Kim met een slok. Nik de baas, kijk. Kijk. Hadda.
Mama? No, du som noe du.
Ja, må holde på nå. Oi sann!
Nou, kijk even voor dit.
Yoga? Little street. Oi, oi, oi. Street yoga.
Muito apanhado.
Ai, 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 ai.
Olha. Nee, nee, nee.
We're going to the beach. They're sleeping. We're going to Sagres, the west coast, to surf, and it's raining. For a change. Now it stopped.
It's raining really hard.
It's a few drops. Some parsnips, olives, and hummus. When you don't have snow, we slide in sand. I'm going to surf. I'm making Kai's porridge. So this one I make almost every morning because he loves it. And I'm having my coffee, obviously. Just with MCT oil today. And do gröt. Okay, so this is very typical. This porridge I can make with one hand. Gröt. Now that it's done, then we're gonna add egg yolk. Here we have an egg. Egg. Hey, what a professional. And then we do just yolk. That's what it's called. And then more coffee. Butter. Boink. A bit more. Boink. Then stir it well. And then we're gonna add the banana. Ja. Ja. Sen ska jag hämta banan. Hoppa. 1, 2, 3. Sen ska jag hämta banan. A very brown banana. That's perfect because that's sweet. Then we have banan. Ja. Så här. Banan oppi sånn. And then we add the grøt. Ok, skal vi blåse da? Du spiser selv? Vil du spise selv? Må ha sånn smekke da. Ja. Oi. Vent da. Du søler, vet du. Søler litt. Å, du var kjempesulten nu. Vi er rett i munnen, vet du. Skål da. Skål da. It's just a super easy and fast way to make a porridge with good nutrition in. Okay. And then I keep the leftovers in the fridge, and he can eat it tonight cold or tomorrow morning. I just add some banana or honey. Okay. It is raining today, a few drops, and it's thundering, and it's very humid and warm. But it's actually possible to go out for a run, which is nice because I've been inside with the computer the whole day again. A lot of things to sort out and work. Look at this one. Beautiful. So this is where I'm gonna work out. I just want a really quick workout because it's already 6 o'clock and Luca picked up the kids from kindergarten, so I want to be with them. But I just need a quick one, so I'm gonna do some sprints in these stairs because that's a super effective and quick workout. Oh, that was dizzy. I did 5 warm-up rounds, a bit slower, and then 5 as fast as possible. Oh, and that was hard because I realized I haven't been drinking enough water today, so I just feel super dry, and I didn't bring water. Anyways, now it's done. It's like 20 minutes with the warm-up and walk here. That's effective. So now family time. Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. I am packing because I'm traveling to Stockholm tomorrow. I am going to visit my beautiful friend Frida and her little family, the baby. So I'm super excited, especially because I'm traveling alone without kids. So that's gonna be very strange. I'm staying from Thursday till Monday. So we have a few days in the town, and it's midsummer. So we're gonna have a little celebration, I guess. Anyways, I'm packing and I'm leaving super early tomorrow morning. Like, I have to go to the airport 4:30 in the morning. But now I'm making myself an iced matcha, and I'm gonna show you how I make it. So I have this Nekuama matcha. Yes, this one, which is too expensive, super expensive, but I just had to try because it's apparently super fresh, like the freshest, the best quality you can get. The color is super duper green, and it's good. It's not that bitter as other not so good quality matcha is, but it's a bit too expensive, I have to say. Anyways, I take the powder. So now it's 3 o'clock, 3:30, and I had 2 coffees already today, but I wanted a little pick-me-up, but not another coffee, because then I can have trouble sleeping. So I figured I'm gonna do a matcha instead. It gives me like more smooth energy. So 1 of these tiny spoons in my beautiful matcha bowl that I also bought online. I don't remember where. So beautiful. And I have this cute little whisk, and I heated up some water. I'm gonna add that, just a tiny bit, since I want it to be cold ice with the ice cube. I'm just gonna add a little bit to dissolve the powder, and then we whisk it. And then I add cold water and ice cube. Add it to glass. So this is very strong. And here we have it. Yummy! I would normally add almond milk, but I didn't have any. It is actually really good, the powder, because it's no bitter. Okay, back to the packing. Machine yeah, a few weeks ago, and I don't do my hair very often because I find it so boring and it takes too much time. Now I used 15-20 minutes to do this, and that's almost too much, I would say. So I don't do it often, but every now and then I like to do something special. And then I like this kind of waves because I feel it's more relaxed than the curls. So it still takes some time, but I find it very easy, at least now after this is the 3rd time I do it. Now it was very easy. It's called, I don't remember, I think it was Nectarine or something. Great machine if you want easy, relaxed waves. I'm gonna let it cool down, and then I can kind of touch it up a bit. I don't want it too perfect. I want it a bit messy. Jag bara över då.
De har övat gott alltså. Och gör det sån, skönner du? Liksom